Alright, I just gonna make this engine run today. It's yeah, I don't know what kind of engine. A 2-cycle. This frame is from my old mower, but it doesn't fit on here, so I don't even bother. The filter is missing, so I'm just gonna make it start today, and yeah. So you can see that I have made an engine running again, because yeah, I didn't show you when. Alright, let's go. So I just line around the rope as the boost starts working. Alright, like that. We take the gas cable because we have to give a little bit of gas on to fire up. I believe that's a fill. But fills here are to deal with, right? The choke over here. Alright, I believe this will do. It will do right. Almost. What is this? It doesn't do what I want. Yesterday it was one pull and it was starting and I could just stand up and walk away. But how cool. But yeah. Alright, I'm gonna try, okay? Here we go. Oh. What if we try the other way? Done? Alright, alright. I don't. There we go. I didn't bought it like that. Give me one more chance, please. Oh man, yesterday I just one pull and it started on one way. So one chance, alright guys? Alright, there we go. Ready? That goes. More than 96 decibels. Or what?
What's more?
It says 96. I think it's 180.
You have the wrong engine, you know.
That's the problem. Well, the mosquitoes are flying around again. So let's take a little bit of beer.